Hi, today we have this anti-fog cleaning cloths. Each package comes with a set of 3. You could use it to clean your glasses, your VR, or masks that you use to go snorkeling, as well as mirrors. So let's give it a try. The material is of a suede type of material, and it has already water in it to do the anti-fog. So what you do is you put your breath on both sides, and then you clean it for 10 seconds on both sides. Now let's try it on the mirror. Whenever you use the VR, sometimes they fog up or when you're sweating, so this is great for those type of cleanses. So again, remember, about 10 seconds each. Nice thorough clean. When you go swimming also, sometimes you breathe in there and it gets fogged up, so these are great to clean before you use. Make sure you do both the inside and the outside. Again, for about 10 seconds. Once you're done using the cloth, make sure that you put it away. Do not wash these, because then it'll take away the effect that it has to do the anti-fog cleaning. These are very convenient, small. You can place them in your purse or your travel when you're traveling. Make a great gift.